prepared as a union.
Senator Mahoma Bay Moses Kajwang' onyiso jatend piny William Ruto mondo winj ywak mag jotij mbalariany masani ni e ng'anyo mondo miyo res sekta mar somo masani ni kama tek. Kanoloso mbite e kinde manoloso kod oganda e bomano, Kajwang' nowacho ni sekta mar somo e pacho ka biro mana timo maber ka sirikal oketo maino kendo chiko ite ne jokanyo e sekta no. Ng'anyo mar jotije mbalariany ochopo e odiechienge mar 4 kawuono.
And we take this opportunity to appreciate all our chair, the Green Wealth Advisory Board.
I want to call upon the President to urgently call a meeting to assess the education system and the situation in this country. My former Vice Chancellor, Professor Munaku, presented a report. That report has not been implemented. Today, all sectors of the education system are on strike. Primary school teachers are back in class, but they are not happy. Secondary school teachers are back in class, but they are not happy. Universities lecturers are on strike to date. University students are on strike. You know that you have a brother and a sister who went to university, and you now have to pay close to 200,000 for an education course that some of us paid 10,000 for. President Ruto, the biggest crisis in this country, the biggest crisis that is going to kill the future of our young people is the ongoing education sector crisis. Please stop the politics. Please stop the 2027 plans. Please stop the obsession with Gachagua. Please come to the table and ensure that this country has a proper plan of building its human capacity.
Paro mopogore medo wuok tok do ng'ado ni chenro mar dongruok mar NGCDF osebedo kitayo tok chik. Kanoloso e kaunti ma Kisumu, Gavana ma Homa Bay ma bende en jakom ODM Gladys Wanga owacho ni do rucho oko omenda mar NGCDF en lal maduong' ne jopiny mosebedo ka yudo konyruok mag basari kowuok e omenda go eko ma bende